Want to know what makes the KTM 1290 Super Duke RR even more menacing than the original beast itself? Besides the KTM 1290 Super Duke R prototype styling, here are the key differences that make the RR the most extreme, ready-to-race, naked street weapon ever. Racing ergonomics allow for a much more aggressive body position and offer direct feedback to the rider. Adjustable and foldable CNC machine front brake lever and clutch lever match a set of adjustable CNC machined racing foot peg system for that perfect position. A key objective with the KTM 1290 Super Duke RR was achieving a 1-to-1 power to weight ratio. For that, KTM engineers slashed weight with a number of weight-saving enhancements. A full set of lightweight carbon fiber bodywork has been deployed to help reduce weight, but also increase overall rigidity and race bike feel. These include a full carbon under tray, carbon front fender, and carbon brake cooling ducts, a carbon fuel tank inner fairing, a carbon ignition lock cover, carbon splash protection and chain guard. A carbon fiber subframe unit ensures the sharpest back end yet, with a completely redeveloped single seat unit sitting 12 millimeters higher than the standard Super Duke R, and bearing all new RR specific graphics. All new taillight that is integrated into LED indicators finish off this ultra aggressive look, along with an adaptive brake light function for good measure. Race-derived WP Pro components dominate the chassis. Up front, the KTM 1290 Super Duke RR uses WP Apex Pro 7548 close cartridge forks, as well as a WP Apex Pro 7117 steering damper. Taking charge at the rear is a WP Apex Pro 7746 shock absorber. The wheels are all new too. All new forged 7-spoke wheels with reduced weight of 1.5 kilograms. These are wrapped in Michelin Power Cup 2 tires, which bring track performance to the street. But those changes are only skin deep. Below the carbon fiber lies the proven 1301cc V-twin engine, which lets out its anger via a lightweight titanium Akrapovic slip-on line exhaust. A new, lighter lithium-ion battery also saves a massive 2.5 kilograms. A 65-degree quick-turn throttle twist grip allows riders to hit the throttle stop without having to twist the wrist beyond the point of comfort. The KTM 1290 Super Duke RR also boasts the most complete, as-standard track-oriented electronic pack ever seen on a KTM. Riders also have access to a whole world of adjustability, from throttle response to rear-wheel traction control, not to mention a whole host of riding modes, including performance and track mode.